Before I came to church, I have suffered a lot of sickness and disease also with my family. I suffered from urinary tract infection and this is skin asthma. And then my family were always got sick here in Taiwan. And then this UTI, I have suffered this one when I was 6 years old until I was married. And then I went to a doctor, but they didn't cure this urinary tract infection. And also with this skin asthma, I have gone to many dermatologists, but they didn't cure this skin asthma on my both arms. It becomes more worse when I put cream on it. And then with my family, my husband is always have sickness on his leg. Sometimes he can't walk. And then I came here in ILC Taiwan. And then here I've learned about the holy water, the miracle water. And I put this on the water we drink every day. And also, I drink this every morning and at night. Also, I wash my both arms with this water. And then after maybe 1 year, my urinary tract infection and this skin asthma was totally healed. And I've observed that my family and my husband, his lower legs were not already in pain. He's already totally healed. And also me, I'm no longer going to dermatologists and going to doctors to have my treatment. And now, my family is totally healed and also myself, I am totally healed. Using my faith with this holy water make us healed.